Revenants.
Welcome back. Good Wednesday afternoon. We're looking at some pretty good wind. We've had some gusts, 70, almost 80 miles per hour up around the East Glacier area. McDonald Pass was quite slippery this morning. Had some blowing snow, a few inches of snow there, and a wind gust to 62. That's bad, but not as bad as we all dealt with back in December. Helena right now, not a bad day. 48 degrees, some gusts to 26 miles per hour. We're under a high wind warning. I don't think we needed to be under a high wind warning today or tomorrow. Just not going to be that bad. Now, Great Falls, 46 degrees, gusts to 54, but typically you get gusts 60 plus, that's high wind warning criteria. Temperatures mainly in the 40s. Sustained wind, though, in Great Falls at 40 miles an hour. That's pretty strong. There are the gusts 54, recent gusts to 35 in Cut Bank. That's not so bad. Well, the wind will continue tonight for most areas. Actually, the wind will pick up as we go through tomorrow. However, a little lighter wind. Helena down through about Canyon Ferry to Townsend. Very strong wind again, Rocky Mountain front. Right about 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow, that's when we could have some gusts 80, 90, maybe even over 100 miles an hour right along the immediate Rocky Mountain front. Some strong wind Thursday night. But watch that wind die down a bit as we go into Friday. Still pretty windy, Continental Divide and close to the Helena area on Friday. By Saturday, most of the wind dies off. So high wind warning continues into Friday morning. Gusts 50, 60 miles an hour, and then maybe 70, 80, even 90 miles per hour. Folks in Bynum, yeah, watch out for that. And an avalanche warning for the Swan Range and the Missions until tomorrow afternoon. They got a couple feet of snow over the last few days. Precipitation has moved out, and we don't have much in the forecast here. It's a little computer model error right there. It will not rain or snow around Havre. We'll have a Chinook Arch cloud formation likely tomorrow. Now this is a pretty good little cold front that comes in really early Friday morning up on the High Line, clouding up around Great Falls through the morning hours. Helena's still partly cloudy. Could have a little light snow central and northern Montana as we go through Friday night into Saturday. Saturday is the final day of February already. A little snow to the south on Sunday. Here's the forecast tonight. So yeah, wind howling, not terribly cold. Some places staying above the freezing point. Yeah, Lewistown right there, Helena right there as well. Careful driving over the mountain passes. Tomorrow, very windy, mainly for the Rocky Mountain front and the Continental Divide. Great Falls, maybe some gusts up to 55, 60. Helena, maybe a 50 to 55 mile an hour gust, especially up on the Divide. Friday, here comes this little snow. As we go through the day, some of that snow may get down to Great Falls and Lewistown Friday night into Saturday morning. Probably not Helena. And then Sunday, March 1st, looking like a pretty nice day. 7-day forecast for Helena. Yeah, nothing that cold. And no precipitation over the next 7 days. Great Falls could have a little light snow Friday night into Saturday morning, and it turns briefly colder before warming up next week.